So, as the wedding season is here, I wanted to help decide some hairstyles for the same. And as eligible as you guys are in terms of creativity in making different hairstyles, and as good as they look, every one of them may not complement the outfit that you may carry to a wedding. So here are 4 hairstyles for everyone that has got possession of long hair that you can try out at a party or on a wedding occasion. So for the first hairstyle, we've got a full bun. Because we know no hairstyle compilation video is ever complete without talking about the full bun. But because you're making it for a wedding, try to keep it as clean as possible from the front. The type of knot you use to tie your hair is completely up to you. But I'm going to use a simple messy bun for now. And because this hairstyle contains elements from both a messy and a clean hairstyle, it can easily go with formal or dapper outfits and the casual ones. Another full bun hairstyle you can wear to a wedding is a low bun, so gather all your hair behind your head at your neck level. And try to tie your hair in a clean bun, because a messy bun can mess too much with the collar of your top when it is assigned this spot. And you can make a simple clean bun by twisting your ponytail in one direction while trying to wrap it on itself. As you can see, I'm not perfect in this one, so let's try to make it work. But if you want to include some points of interest in this hairstyle, you can just bring out the flicks. And instantly it looks more dynamic. But for the third hairstyle, we've got a half bun. And as the name suggests, you just need to gather half of your hair and tie it with a rubber band. The amount of hair you choose to gather is completely up to you. But try not to go below the ear level or above the crown level. And I personally like to tie my hair in a messy bun, but because we are going to wear it to a wedding, I chose this one as it looks a bit cleaner. But try not to pair this hairstyle with a tux, because as we discussed in a previous video, these type of hairstyles mess with the collars too much. By the way, that video is linked on the top right corner if you're interested in watching the whole thing. And finally, we've got an open hairstyle, but not any open hairstyle. It is actually a quarter part, so it looks a little different and unique as compared to, say, a middle part or a side part, which makes this a really good hairstyle to rock at a wedding or a party. And it is going to look the best with medium long hair. My hair is obviously too long for this one. But if you enjoyed watching it, a like to this video and a sub to the channel will be really appreciated. And there's the Alpha Army Discord server waiting for you to join in the description. And with that being said, I'll see you around, Alpha.